Hello and welcome back to Huga House. Today we'll talk about this family of four that turned this Sprinter van into a comfortable home on wheels with small kitchen and running water. Van life is something that more people are starting to embrace. If you're not sure what van life is, it's where people live in vans that they've decked out to be more like homes. Some of these van homes are pretty spectacular with hardwood flooring and small appliances for cooking and storing food. Like the Vanderlost Sprinter van, for example. Steve and Ashley Rocks decided to create a van to live and travel in with their children. So the family needed to sleep four comfortably, have lots of storage for cameras, climbing gear, food, and outdoor equipment. Their van also had to be able to handle lots of power for charging up their camera gear and editing photos and videos. It also had to have places for child seats and have a small kitchen for cooking, have running water, and be thermally and acoustically regulated. To some, this may seem like an impossible feat to fit all of this into a tiny van. But for the couple, it was just another adventure and a challenge they wanted to take on. In the layout phase, they decided on a full-size bed in the back running in the long direction, with a bunk on top and two 60-inch drawers underneath for storage. They researched a lot of different van build-outs as well. The long bed gives them room to sleep comfortably without sacrificing comfort, plus gives them great access to the storage areas above the wheel wells. In the kitchen area, they included a Dometic built-in sink with two-burner stove combo that folds down and closes flat. They're going to plumb a fuel line that can be hooked up to a standard Coleman-style propane cylinder. These cylinders are readily available at any Wal Mart or REI. As for water, a 20-gallon holding tank with a water pump will be more than sufficient to give them clean water too. You can see some of the photos of this family's journey to making their van into a little traveling home. Covering the inside of the van with wood paneling really helps to cozy up the interior of the van, making it feel more like a home. They even added a TV mounted on one of the interior walls, which will also come in handy for entertainment. They've also installed a built-in speaker system as well, which allows music and sound to play throughout the entire vehicle, much like you would have in a regular van, but amped up a notch to have superior sound. They were also able to fit a tall closet in the van, which would be a great place to store clothing and other items. You can see more of their process and the finished result in their Instagram account, where they post great photos of their journey in their van life home. This is a very good idea for the adventurous at heart. Would you ever consider living or even just traveling in a van home like this one? And that's our video for today. Consider dropping a like, it really helps this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and I hope to see everybody in the next video.